The backstory on this job is this is a client that strayed from our services. We've cleaned this carpet a number of times, and they recently had their carpets cleaned by one of those coupon companies, which we call dad companies, dime a dozen. They make all these claims, they make all these promises. They overwetted the carpet, obviously. This is the result of overwetting. Stains that weren't there before can now appear. And we have a huge water stain that we have to take care of, and this is a very simple process to take care of it. The client did call this company back, and they attempted to clean the carpet again. This time there were more water stains, and this particular stain got even bigger. They didn't use a low moisture approach to fix the wicking issue, and that's unfortunate because resoiling is a real thing. Stains can appear that were not there before due to the heavy amount of moisture in the carpet. We live in Florida, the humidity is terrible. With SET, soil extraction transfer technology, ULM, ultra low moisture, this is what is needed to get your carpets clean and dry quickly so you don't have any resoiling issues, so you don't have any mold issues. This is a very simple process that we're performing, but you have to know what kind of solutions to use and what kind of methodology to use. And as you can see, the carpet came out nice, all dry,